Hi lovelies, welcome to Unique Dija Space. On today's video, we are going to be making these three ingredients lovely cookies. So welcome back guys. Like I said, we are going to be using only three ingredients for this recipe, which is flour, 3 cups of flour, half cup of sugar, and 250 grams of margarine. So I'm using Simas margarine. You can use any margarine of your choice. I'll be putting the margarine inside my mixing bowl. Then I'll add in the sugar, half cup of sugar. I'll mix them together until the sugar is melted inside the margarine. So you can use your hand mixer. So I'm okay with the mixture now. I'll be adding in the flour. So I'm going to be doing this into 2 batches. So I'll add in the last batch of the flour. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. So I'm going to mix this very well. I'll remove the whisk. Use the spatula to bring everything together. Then I'll use my hands and bring them together. I'm not needing this. I'm just trying to make everything come together as one dough. Ingredients: you have your biscuits, homemade biscuits. So you can see it's not sticky to hand, it's not hard, and it's not that soft. So I'll be using my baking paper to cover this so that I can stretch it out very well. See, I'm trying to press it down before I use the thing to press it to stretch it out. So I'm okay with it now. After stretching, I'll cut out the edge, the rough edge away. So I'll be using these cake tools embodying to make a print on top of the cake, just to give it a design. You can give it any design of your choice. You can actually cut it into any shape of your choice at this point, but I'm going to be giving this a very unique design. You can use your fork to give it a design, any design of your choice at all. Then I'll use my cookies cutter to cut it out. I'll be using this round cookies cutter. You can see that fine shape. It's very simple, ready within 30 minutes, you are done. So I'll use knife to bring it up. You don't have to be hard with it, just be gentle with it so that it will not break out. So I'm going to be repeating the same process until I am done with all the dough. So here is the next batch. I'll stretch it out again, then print the design on top and cut it out before we go and bake the cookies. So the first batch is ready to go into the oven. I'm going to be baking this for 15 to 20 minutes because I already preheated my oven. And after 20 minutes, we are done with the whole process of the cookies. And here they are, very lovely, crunchy, and beautiful. Can you see the crunchiness, the way it broke? So you can pack this in any form for your kids. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next one. Bye.